Coming in from the pharmaceutical space, and the National Pharma Pricing Authority, or the NPPA, has released a list of new drugs introduced in the markets by pharma companies without taking price approval. Archana Shukla is right here with all the details of what that list is going to look like. Archana, plenty of listed companies on that list as well.
Well, yes. Now, let me tell you what the issue is. Now, according to the price regulation DPCO 2013, if a pharma company is launching any drug which includes a scheduled drug, which means a drug which is part of the essential price list and has a price cap, whether in the same dosage or in a dosage form different, or they are combining it with any other drug and launching it as a combination drug, they must seek a price approval from NPPA. Now, the NPPA has released a list of 201 drugs which they say did not take price approval prior to being launched in the market. Now, this list includes almost all the big names from the Indian pharma. It includes many drugs like 7 from Ranbaxy, which is now Sun Pharma, 12 from Alembic, many from Abbott, Sun Pharmaceuticals, erstwhile Ranbaxy, Zydus Cadila, and others. What NPPA is saying that you cannot launch drugs in the market without price approval. They have also raised a question on whether these drugs are, because a lot of them are fixed combination drugs, whether they are rational or irrational, but that decision lies with the drug controller, DCGI. What needs to be seen is two: financial impact, and the other is a long-term impact. From financial perspective, most of the brands which are listed in this list are smaller brands, a few lakh rupees of sales on an annual basis. So cumulatively, also the impact of this list will not be a lot on pharma companies. But what is important to see is that it is the first time that NPPA, the price regulator, has acted on combination drugs and has raised this issue of launches without price approval. It is one unspoken issue in the pharma industry that price regulator has been seeking about. And in our interview last month with Mr. Bhupendra Singh, the chairman of NPPA, he had indicated that FTCs could be on the list and they would be looking at pricing of those. And here we have that list. So what is important, critical to watch out is, will similar lists be released later on as well? Are there other combinations which are on the radar for NPPA or not? For now, it's 201 drugs in this list, which lists many of the big pharma companies. Financial impact could be limited.